Good evening. Which college are you studying?
Good evening, sir. I am studying in Sri Vaishnav Institute of Management, Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay. What is the degree you studied and which degree are you doing now?
I have done BCom and presently I am pursuing my Masters of Business Administration with specialization in business analytics and marketing.
Okay. So what is the percentage of marks scored by you in your BCom?
Its aggregate marks were 76%.
Good. Right now in your MBA first year, 2 semesters, how many marks did you score?
Sir, the result of 3 semesters have came and the total aggregate is 69.06%.
Very good. How many candidates are studying in your institute in this discipline? That is business analytics and what is the other thing you said? Marketing.
Sir, in business analytics, there are 32 students, and in marketing, there are 64 students.
Oh, acha.
Yes.
Good, good. Very good. That's right. Why did you choose business analytics?
Then, when I was exploring for my specialization, I go through the business analytics syllabus and I can relate it with more. I thought it is something new which I should learn, and it is something which will help me to cope up with the latest technologies and it will give me a boost in my career.
What is business analytics?
Business analytics is a process of intaking data, business historical data, and processing that data, by analyzing that data, a business analyst assess trends and patterns, which helps in business in making data driven decisions, which enhance its profitability.
Mm, or there is there any sufficient demand for business analytics work in India right now?
Yes, sir. In every discipline nowadays, business analytics is employed.
Acha.
According to the Forbes, business analytics is going to be in 2000, till 2025. Business analytics is going to be the number one profession in India.
Then why are you trying to come to banking?
In banking, sir, there are ample opportunities for the business analytics.
Mhm. Good. Now, can you please tell us about your native place?
Sir, I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Indore is the cleanest city of India. It is famous for many things. It is not just a cleanest city; it is also a smartest city of India. It get its name from its Indreshwar temple, which was established by its ruler Holkar. Indore is famous for its night market, its street food, its temple, and its heritage.
Who are the famous personalities living in Indore?
Living, sir, that I don't
Uh,
know presently.
oh, doesn't matter. Now, tell us about your family without telling the names.
Sure, sir. Sir, I belong from a nuclear family of 7 members. My father is a retired MPB officer. Now he's self-employed. My mother is a homemaker. She is very well organized and disciplined in her work. I have three elder sister and one elder brother. My all three sisters are married. My elder brother is a BCom graduate and currently is assisting my father. We all are a close-knit family and share a great bond with each other.
What is the business your father is doing now?
He owns a garage and an auto parts shop.
Mhm. Good. Garage and auto parts shop. Very good. Now, will there not be a scope for you to assist him in the business and grow further?
Uh, no, sir, I don't think. If I want, I can do that. But I am not that interested in this field.
Good. What do you think are your strengths?
My strengths are my interpersonal skills, my presentation skills, and my analytical approach to the situation, and also my humanistic approach to the situations.
Good. Now, what are your weaknesses?
I would not call it as my weakness. I would call it as my area of improvement, and it is self-criticism. Sometimes I criticize myself more, not for the work I have done. I didn't see the good of my work. I just more focuses on the mistake I have done.
Mhm.
So that is my weakness. Although I'm working on it nowadays, I've started even celebrating my small milestones. Even
Madhya Pradesh.
yes, sir.
What is the language of that state?
Hindi.
Only Hindi. Are there not
Uh,
any local languages?
no, sir. Its language is Hindi. Otherwise,
No.
the native people follow their mother tongues.
What is the mother tongue for them?
If there are Marathi people, they will follow Marathi and that kind of tongues. If they are Malvi people, they'll speak Nimadi, Malvi,
Oh,
that language.
no, no.
Yes, sir.
But in states like Bihar and all, you have Maithili language and all. So you don't have a separate language in Madhya Pradesh. Correct.
No, sir.
Good. Can you tell us about the advancement in banking in the last 10 years in Madhya Pradesh or in general in India?
Uh, I think banking has been excelled in Madhya Pradesh. There are many places in Madhya Pradesh which are unserved. Nowadays, all small finance bank and payment banks, even the regional rural banks, have been developed in all those places to get the benefits. So that the rural and the semi-urban areas of Madhya Pradesh get the benefits of those financial schemes which were provided by the government, for example pension scheme, wages distribution schemes. So I think the banking has been developed so far in Madhya Pradesh.
What is the name of the pension scheme brought by the government for the sake
At,
of unorganized sector?
uh, it's Atal Pension Yojana, sir.
Correct. Do you know some of the essential features of this Atal Pension Yojana?
No, sir, I don't know that.
Good. What is banking?
So banking is accepting deposit from the public and making advances to the other.
Okay. What are the other functions that are performed by banks?
Other function, there are many services provided by bank. For example, draft services. They provide lockers in which we can save our precious things, documents, goals, and this. They provide credit card, debit card services. They provide insurances, mutual fund services.
Yes. Why banks are providing, say, insurance services, mutual fund services, and all that? Why?
It can be a good source of income for them, sir.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me what is a mutual fund?
So mutual fund is banks collect a ample amount of investment from its investors and collectively invest those investment in the funds which are called mutual funds.
Mutual funds do what?
Mutual funds provide interest to the investors.
No, no, no. The answer is not correct. Mutual funds invest in the schemes approved by the members and they share the excess income received from the investments to the unit holders. Do you follow? They don't pay interest.
Okay, sir.
They do not pay interest.
What they get?
They are paying dividend.
Paying
They,
dividend.
they will be paying dividend if there is profit. If there is loss, they won't pay. Can you tell me in
Okay.
mutual funds why how profits and losses happen?
Sir, I'm not aware of it.
See, this is a basic question. See, mutual funds, what they do, they invest monies in shares like Adani shares, Ambani shares, Tata shares, and all that. And if the price of the shares go up, that may result in their getting dividend, because when they sell it to the market, they may purchase at 100 rupees, sell it at 120 rupees. So that 20 rupees will be a gain for them. Sometimes the companies also pay dividend when you are the unit shareholders. So the mutual fund will be receiving dividend from these companies also. So that is also another income. So so that is what is known as net asset value. So as on any date, the net asset value is the value of the shares invested by the mutual fund and the market price. Okay. So you must,
Okay.
as a marketing student, you must go through details about mutual fund, various schemes like open-ended schemes, close-ended schemes, then SIP and all that you must study.
Okay, sir. Sir, do I will get this recording of this session?
Yeah, you will get it.
Okay. Okay.
So Rajeshwar, um, do you think you are fit for marketing profession?
Uh, yes, sir, I think I'm fit for marketing profession because marketing profession needs a humanistic approach. We sell product to the humans. So, and I think I'm good at it. I'm good at talking with people, understanding their needs, and providing them solution according to their requirements. So I think I'm good at the marketing profession.
Can you recollect about one or two people whom you have met recently and guided them properly in their pursuit?
Uh, just 2 days back, sir, I met my neighbor came to me. She is giving CMET, so she wanted guidance to me that which college she should opt and what specialization should she opt for. So I guided regarding her, and even my brother sometimes takes advice from me regarding our business decisions also.
Good, very good. How can a business make profit?
uh, as we all know, customer is the king. A business can make profit by satisfying its customers firstly, and increasing the value of its product, providing quality products rather than providing quantity products.
Good.
And advancement, and business can make profit by employing advancement in its company.
Now, which bank do you have an account?
Bank of Baroda.
What is the significance of Bank of Baroda?
Sir, Bank of Baroda is a public sector bank. It is the second largest public sector bank after SBI, and it is one of the trusted banks
Is it
in India.
second? Is it second or third? Punjab
Second,
National?
sir.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Yes.
Who is the chairman or MD and CEO of Federal Bank of Baroda?
Chairman of Bank of Baroda is Mr. Hasmukh Adai, and chairman is MD is Mr. Sanjeev Chadda.
Okay, correct. Sanjeev Chadda.
Chadda.
Correct. What is the Rajeshwari Rajnoor? What are the spiritual ideas about goddess Rajeshwari?
Uh, Sir, my name is the another name of goddess Parvati.
Oh,
Rajeshwari is the another name of goddess Parvati, which means someone who even rule over the god. As someone in Hindi, we can say Raj Ishwari. We call Lord Shiva as Ishwar. So she was the wife of Lord Shiva. That's how she got this name, Rajeshwari, who ruled the world even over the god.
Correct. Good.
And I am a strong believer in goddess Parvati.
Now, please tell me why you want to join Federal Bank. And before that, tell me what all you know about Federal Bank.
Federal Bank is a private sector bank. It is one of the bank which is serving very nicely to the country. The vision of Federal Bank is to be the most admired bank, which is digitally enabled. It focuses on micro, medium, and middle enterprises. Its mission is to serve customer even above their expectations, and also to serve their stakeholders in a way that they grow. It also take care of its employees. It was founded in 1945. Its founder was Mr. KP Hormis. Why I wanted to join the Federal Bank? There are many reasons for it. Some of them are their corporate social responsibility. I like that. Even I like the vision and mission of the Federal Bank and their tagline also. They are perfect banking partner where everything seems perfect. Also, I have talked with one of my LinkedIn connection who is serving from past 8 years in the Federal Bank. I asked him, sir, why did you, which thing has motivate you to serve Federal Bank for 8 years? He said, the Federal Bank rewards the hard work and they do everything for the growth of their employees. Also, I have seen that Federal Bank has been recognized by the Great Place to Work. Great place to work for their by Great Place to Work. It is only commercial bank in India which came under the top 50 workplaces. That's are the reasons I joined Federal Bank. I wanted to join Federal Bank.
Good. Can you tell me about the business position of Federal Bank as on 31st March 2023?
Sir, I have read that praise relief yesterday, but I don't remember it properly. I have to go through it some more times to remember it.
Q4 important press release.
Yes, sir, quarter for important. I have gone through it, but I have to remember it now.
Please read it. Federal Bank.
Sir, I'm not able to see.
Acha, you are not seeing. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, I am giving you the screen. Now tell me the
Yes, sir.
important points which you will like to remember and tell in the interview.
Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to tell Federal Bank registered 67% growth in net profit. This one is the important point. Delivers all time high of rupees 903 crores. Okay. The net profit of rupees 903 crore grew by 67% year on year. Highest ever operating profit at 1335 crore. This point will also I will tell. Gross national performing assets and net national performing assets.
Hello. Please repeat. Gross.
National non-performing assets. Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Gross non-performing assets and net non-performing asset brought down to 2.36% and 0.69% respectively. Total advances is increased by 20.14%.
No, but this need not be told.
Okay, sir.
This figure need not be told. This one you can tell. Capital adequacy.
Okay, sir. The capital adequacy ratio of banks stood at 14.81%.
Then you have to tell about this.
Okay, sir. Should I read it?
No. You should tell Shyam Srinivasan is the managing director and CEO. Okay.
Sir.
Then you
Okay,
should
sir.
tell the deposit figure. The present deposit figure is 2,13,000 crore. 2
Okay,
lakhs
sir.
13,000 crore. And CASA deposit was 31%. And
Okay, sir.
advances figure 1,77,000 crore. These figures you must remember. Or
Sir,
you must,
exactly or
or no,
approx?
approximately you should remember. The total business of the bank is 3,87,000 crore.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 3
Okay,
lakhs
sir.
87,000 crore, of which deposit is 2 lakhs 13,000, and advances balance. Advances, how much is it? 1,77,000 crore.
Cool.
Capital adequacy is 14.87%. And the board of directors at its meeting held today has recommended a dividend of 50% per equity share, having a face value of rupees 2. It's only rupees 2, it seems. 2 rupees share is being sold. What is the market price of Federal Bank now?
128.
Yeah. So it is being sold at such a price. They are recommending a dividend of 50%. That means 1 rupee they will pay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's
Okay,
what
sir.
it is. So this much you must remember and then tell about it. Now, how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Uh, in my pre-placement talk, I got to know that in every 2 years in federal bank, in every 2 years, on the basis of employees' performance, they got promoted. So I see myself as a branch manager in after 5 years.
What is NPCI?
MPCI,
Mm.
sir, I'm not able to recollect. I have studied this, but I'm not able to recollect it.
National Payment Corporation of India.
NPCI, I heard NPCI. NPC, yes, sir, National Payment Corporation of India.
Wherever you are hearing it that way, you can ask for clarification. Sir,
Okay,
in this case, you could have told, sir, is it MPCI, or you are telling, or NPCI, some, or you leave it blank. They will fill it up.
okay, sir.
Tell me about your involvement with social media. You are a marketing person.
Yes, sir.
How closely are you attached with social media?
Sir, presently I have no ID on social media. I just use WhatsApp. So how should I answer this question now?
No. The correct position is social media. Right now, I am using only WhatsApp for obvious reasons that while studying, if I start using more of social media, it may reduce my study time. And
Okay.
the other aspect of the answer is normally parents do not encourage candidates spending too much time on social websites because it leads to many complications like Facebook complication, Instagram complication, and all that. So you
Yes.
don't have to tell that. Tell them that you are now interested in this only. But you can also say how you will be using social media after joining bank as a probationary officer for the growth of our bank.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, if I use the various social media platforms, say Facebook and Instagram, I would connect with the people who requires loan or anything, the business financial products, who require financial products or services, I would tell them about the federal bank's product, as well as the templates or the advertisement which I have of federal bank. I will post it on my stories and on my post to enhance the business of the organization.
No, but you have talked generally without being specific. Do you get the point? You talked. I will use the social media for the. You never use the word names of the social media, like Facebook. How Facebook can be
Okay,
used,
okay.
how Twitter
Okay,
can be used, and then
specifically.
how, yeah, specific. At least two, not everything.
Okay, sir.
Not everything. Say, for example, you can say when I will try to, you, if possible, you go through the Facebook of our Federal Bank also. Then you state that how you, as a Facebook holder, how you will be bringing your friends into State Bank, Federal Bank, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, last question on marketing.
Yes, sir.
Can you market any one scheme of our bank?
For this, I have to talk about a scheme of Federal
Yeah.
Bank.
Supposing you are going to canvas for auto loan, you will talk to me as if you are trying to convince me about availing car loan. Or if you are talking about housing loan, you will talk to me as about what I should do for availing it, like that.
Okay, sir. Uh, so, sir, for selling the housing loan, I would like to convey for selling the housing loan. Um, First of all, I would try to make the customer comfortable. I will ask few questions regarding their requirements, what kind of what they want to, what kind of loan they want, property, housing, construction loans, and what they want. And afterward, making him comfortable, I would generate a desire in him by telling the value points of the loans, the scheme value point of the schemes, by telling them the interest rates which give, the service we provided, the facilities we give, in way they don't have to come to the branch again and again. It will be an hassle free services we provide. In that way, I can sell the company's loans
Now,
and schemes.
for this question, it would have been good if you had gone through the brochure to know about the features and tell
uh,
specifically that this much percentage of loans we give, and the repayment will be of this, the interest rate we charge will be like this, then processing fee, if it is charged or waived, whatever details, if you can specify that, and also highlight, it can be posted online and it can be availed through digital also, something like that. You should go through the website, try to know the
so,
details about one
so it
or
is
two
available
scheme.
on website.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Website will give you about housing loan. 1 minute.
Okay, sir. I-
Yeah. So please go through that website. I'm not getting it here. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. You go through the website, you go through staff housing loan. 1 minute. Why it is not coming for me? India. There is some problem in the net itself. India Federal. Yeah, now I am getting it. Here, are you seeing the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Here, personal, accounts, deposits, NRI business. In NRI, in business, what they are telling about term loans, project loans, etc., trade finance, etc. Then personal loans, housing loans. Click housing loan. You will get all details.
Okay, sir. So what is this Calista and Imperial? Should I read that also?
Which one?
Calista and Imperial. There are also some schemes of Federal Bank.
I don't know. I have not seen that at all.
So it is available here only.
Oh. If you are, whatever comes to your mind, if you are impressed, go through that. Nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Good. Then go through about NRI also.
Two products of each I should read.
Yeah, 2 products each. Deposit, advances, then NRI, then cards, then insurance, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. You did well. Best wishes. And some questions will be tough. Obviously, not every question can be easy. Some questions may be tough. And I have not asked about your general or current affair position. Please tell me some current affair news that you have read in the last few days.
So I've read about related to my state, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, in Bandhavgarh National Park, an archaeological site has been extracted, in which they have found very old remains of lifestyle. And yesterday, I have read about a conclave of management association in Indore for management professionals.
Mm.
RBI has penalized 4 cooperative banks for their misconduct, or I can say not following the norms.
Mm.
Also, I have read about that SBI has opened another branch in Mumbai, another KBC branch, sir. It was like that something.
Mhm.
KBC branch in Mumbai, and that now I am able to recollect this much, sir.
Mm. Then they do ask questions simply like, what is UPI? What is UPI Lite? And all that. So please prepare on those things also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So
Uh,
any other questions you have?
uh, Sir, I am preparing in the right direction now.
Yeah. You are preparing in the right direction, but the depth of the answers can be increased once you go through the marketing aspect of it, then your banking aspect of it, economy aspect of it. Now I have not gone into Reserve Bank, inflation, RPA, then repo rate and all. So there can be questions around that also. So please prepare on those areas also so that you can do very well.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Best wishes. Achha,
Thank you, sir.
how much did you pay? 315 or
350, sir. 305.
305. Very good. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
When is your interview?
9th, sir. 9th of May.
Go with confidence, attend the interview, and send the questions they are asking you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, am I doing lots of fumble?
Not that way, no, but I will rate your performance as good only, but not so very good. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 90%, it depends on the way you, your body language and all that. How you sit with confidence. How do you smile at them? Are you talking with confidence? ये सब देख के आपको डिसाइड कर देगा. ठीक है? 1 minute. I'll just close this video.